Hey going guys, Dave from AllBrand Caravan Services. Today I'm working on this Jayco Starcraft beside me. Let's Bleeper one, yeah! Yeah, righto. All right, number 2. Hey going guys, Dave from AllBrand Caravan Services. Here we go. That's number 2. Come on, go in.
Take 3.
Yeah, I'm not as good as you, Nathan. I reckon you could do it for me. All right. Hey going guys, Dave from AllBrand Caravan Services. Today behind me I'm working on this Jayco Starcraft. Now the customers come in for a rear pod replacement as well as a couple of dings in the sheets that we're repairing. Although this is only a small job, we also offer much larger resheets. So if you do have a van and it's got a couple little dings in it and you're not happy with it, give us a call. We'll be able to help you out and get it repaired back to factory specifications. Thanks guys, bye.